Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto E13, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. So let's find Niagara. Niagara launcher is a really good launcher. It's completely free. You can set up here your favorite apps, and here you have my menu. So you have all in one screen. For example, if you want to find Play Store application, just drag your finger to P button. Here you will see Here you will see Play Store. Okay, so I really love this launcher. On the second place is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6 is a really beautiful launcher. Here you have really beautiful interface, really beautiful design, and here you have very handful grouping up features. So here we have several groups: contacts, internet, games, media utilities, and settings. And it's very useful. Okay, and on the first place, my top is, I'll show you, is Microsoft Launcher. Click install. And open. Get started while you then allow. Continue. Here you can connect to your Microsoft account. If you will do it, you can create a pair with your smartphone and your Microsoft Windows device, so you will be able to get your calls and messages on your Windows laptop, for example. Then click skip. So you need to log in. I will click skip now. So here choose your favorite apps. Click continue. Let's go. Click set as default. Choose Microsoft Launcher here. Great. And that's cool. So here we have our glance panel. In the glance panel, we can set up all our widgets. We can set up here news. We can remove news from here. We can set up our favorite panel. We can set up all in our main menu. We can hide apps from the main menu, from the launcher. We can set up gestures. I will show you. So just open launcher settings, find gestures here, and for example choose 2 fingers swipe up, and I want to open up when I'm swiping with 2 fingers, and I want to, for example, I want to open Google Meet. Okay, so let's try it, and Google Meet is launching. So that's it. I think this is the best launcher for your device. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.